Okay guys, so I'm going to show you a simple way of roasting your okra so that you can enjoy. So I actually roasted some already and I decided, hey, it's so simple, let me share it with you. So I have some olive oil in my roasting pan here and I washed my okra already. So all I'm going to do, well, I cut off the top. So what I'm going to do now is going to slice it down the middle like this. See that? And we're just going to lay it in here. So we have all our okra laid out in our pan. So now, because I already have some olive oil in here, I'm going to just sort of like toss it up. But what we're going to do now is just take a little bit of our sea salt. So I just have some sea salt here. And I'm just going to sprinkle some sea salt over the okra. Good. So that should be good. And now with the olive oil that I had in the pan already, I'm just going to toss it. And then with the okra here. And then we will put it into our oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. And after that, our roasted okra will be completed and ready to eat. So it's a nice way of eating your okras, right? So I'm just gonna put this now into the oven. Okay guys, so our roasted okra is now completed. As you can see, it was quite simple and it's a nice delicious way to enjoy your okra. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure and hit that bell notification, because that's the only way for you to get notified when I post new videos. And feel free to share with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye for now.